On your laptop you all use your keyboard, mouse pad. What if you can use your mouse as a mouse trackpad? So here's the simple step you have to follow, and if you like this video then subscribe this channel and like this video. So you have to download this application which is on Microsoft Edge or on any website. You have to select the device which you have. I have Windows laptop, so I have downloaded Windows. So when I install it, you can install this app by just downloading it, and here you can see I have the app which I have downloaded, and you have to provide all the permission to this app so that your phone can access the mouse trackpad. So all you need is to download the same application on your mobile. Also it is available on Play Store and App Store also. So the same Wi-Fi you should connect to your mobile and your laptop. So I have connected the same Wi-Fi to my laptop and my PC. So when I use this trackpad, you can see that when I scroll on my mobile phone, it scroll on my PC. You can also use different buttons like left or right mouse button to just do the same things that you can use with your keyboard mouse trackpad. So this is the video. If you like this video then subscribe this channel and share this video with your friend, and bye bye.